Skin Place, Anti-Wrinkle E-Light Face. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. The E-Light technology stimulates collagen and elastin production, visibly smoothing out facial lines and softening wrinkles for a more youthful appearance. Tightens and firms skin. It improves skin elasticity by targeting deeper layers, resulting in firmer and more lifted facial contours without surgery. Brightens and rejuvenates skin tone. This treatment evens out skin pigmentation and enhances overall radiance, giving the face a healthy, refreshed glow. Non-invasive and painless. With no needles or downtime, E-Light provides a comfortable and safe anti-aging solution, perfect for clients with busy schedules. Boosts confidence with younger-looking skin. Achieving smoother, firmer skin helps enhance self-esteem, especially when signs of aging are visibly minimized.